Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many Linux users might face when trying to send signals over USB during their workstation's power management events. Specifically, we have a user running KDE Plasma May 27th, 11 on Debian 12 AMD64, who needs to trigger some scripts on sleep and wake up events. While login and logout events work fine, the issue lies in binding these scripts to the sleep and wake up actions. Quite a tricky problem indeed. Now let's delve into the solution that our user implemented. By creating a script in the libsystemd-systemd sleep directory and making it executable, they were able to successfully trigger the desired actions. The script itself is pretty straightforward, using a case statement to check if the input argument is pre or post, and then invoking the corresponding scripts to turn off and on a relay, respectively. A simple yet effective solution to tackle the problem at hand. In conclusion, we've explored a neat workaround for executing scripts on power management events in a KDE Plasma environment. By leveraging systemd sleep hooks and crafting a couple of bash scripts, our user managed to seamlessly integrate their desired actions into the system. Hopefully, this detailed explanation has shed some light on how to address similar challenges in your own Linux setup. Until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Your feedback keeps the Linux community thriving.